Good morning to one and all. This is Amruta from Food Chemistry. Today I am going to introduce another tasty and yummy recipe into my kitchen, which is the Dahi Wada. It is made out of Urad Dal and ample amount of curd. So you just need two simple ingredients from your kitchen, which is the curd. I have taken one full bowl of curd because it will be used for the dipping purpose, so you require a little more curd, and 2 cups of urad dal. You need to soak the urad dal overnight and then you can grind it into a thick paste. You can see the urad dal is nicely done. I have soaked it overnight and it is now ready for the grinding purpose. Make sure that you remove all the water, and while grinding you don't have to put any kind of water. You can see I have taken all the urad dal and remove all the water out of it. It's now time to grind the dal. I have grinded the dal and I have put very little amount of water while grinding it. I will show you the consistency. So you should maintain this kind of consistency because it makes easier for you to do the vadas out of such batter. So let's get started with the vada process. I have taken out the urad batter into the bowl. Now I'm just going to add little bit of salt as per taste. You can see this, so that the vadas will be having the proper taste. Mix it well and simultaneously take a kadhai or box and let it get heated up. The kadhai is now heated up. It's now time to put oil. So 3 to 4 tablespoon oil I have taken. Once it's properly heated, I will start putting the vadas. I have put 4 vadas here. So make sure that you keep the gas flame on low and let them cook on a slow to medium flame. Once they turn little yellowish, you can turn them around. Look at the color. This should be the color for your dahi vada. You should not cook more because it is like perfect now. It's time to turn them around. So this will be the perfect thing for your dahi vada. By the time our vadas are getting prepared, I will explain you how to make the dahi for the dahi vadas. It is very simple and it also requires very basic ingredients. So as I mentioned earlier, I am going to take this curd. Some chili flakes I am going to add. Few green chilies. These are 3 roughly chopped green chilies to get that tinge. It is little bit spicy, so you just have to make sure that if it is spicy, then you can make a little normal. If it is spicy, then you can include a little less amount. It's completely your choice. If you want that tinge of spiciness into your dahi or yogurt, then you can add little more. And sugar. So I will take small 3 tablespoons of sugar. Into this goes water. So I will put around 1 cup, small cup of water, and then I will blend it. Here goes the water. it is fine enough. Time to blend. My vadas are also ready and the curd is also ready. It's now time to put the vadas into this curd. It's less oily, as you can see. Let it soak for some time and then it will be ready to eat. You can also prepare extra dahi in the similar way which I have explained. And finally, I have done the plating of my dahi vada. You can see how beautiful it is. You can also sprinkle a little bit of salt or a little bit of chili powder, but already I have used chili flakes and around 3 chilies in my curd mixture, so I'm not going to use. I'm going to enjoy in this way. Do let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe and support to my channel. Have a good day.